If you're looking for a quick, easy way to auto-generate client proposals from form data, you're in the right place. In this 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up an automated proposal system that will save you hours of manual work. Now, generating proposals manually can be a huge time sink. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or even part of a larger company, this process can often be a repetitive and tedious task. But what if you could eliminate that headache? Well, I've tried the most popular software for automating this, and I'm going to show you the one that works best and give you an exclusive free trial if you want to follow along. The first thing you need to do is integrate the software with your form tool. Whether it's Google Forms, Typeform, or another platform, the idea is to capture the key details from your clients as they fill out a form. So if you haven't done that already, you're going to want to set up a form that collects all the necessary information for the proposal. Things like the client's name, project type, budget, timeline, and any special requests. Once you've got the form data flowing in, it's time to set up your automation. This software we're using today can take that form data and plug it directly into a proposal template. What you'll do is create a standard proposal template, pre-filled with placeholders for the client's name, project details, and so on. This template will act as the base for all proposals. Next, you'll set up a trigger in the software so that when a new form submission comes in, the system automatically generates the proposal. This step is key. You don't have to copy-paste anything manually. The software uses the data from the form to fill out the template and generate a professional, personalized proposal within seconds. Now here's the best part. Once the proposal is auto-generated, you can either send it directly to the client through email or store it in your client management system. You're done. No more wasting time on document formatting or worrying about forgetting important details. Everything is streamlined and automatic. You might be thinking, okay, that sounds great, but is this really going to work for my business? Trust me, whether you're handling one client or hundreds, this automation is going to scale with you. It's fast, efficient, and ensures every proposal is consistently accurate. Before we wrap up, don't forget that I've included an exclusive free trial for this software in the description below. You can follow along with me as you set up your automated proposal system and see how it works in action. This free trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure to take advantage of it while you can. Now the key takeaway from today's video is simple. By integrating your form data with automated proposal software, you can save yourself hours of work and ensure you're always delivering fast, professional proposals to your clients. To summarize the steps, first, set up your form and capture all relevant data. Second, create a template with placeholders. And third, configure your software to generate proposals automatically. Take advantage of the free trial in the description, set it up, and watch your proposal process become automated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.